Okay, so this is probably the last that I will make, and it's in this one I just want to demo availability. Actually, for the provider, literally everything is done for the provider. Everything is done, and remember, booking is more of a pet owner task. So the provider, all they need to do with the booking is to like view it and accept it or reject it. So that means that booking is more of a pet owner related task. So providers, most like literally, they are probably done like right now. Everything that they have to do is implemented. Bank accounts, they can set schedules, they can add accounts, they can set schedules. Let's say my schedule is daily, then that's it. But in the event that it's weekly, then I'll have to set a day of the week, probably Wednesday, and which day of the month, like 5th, and yeah, that should do it. Payout schedule updated, details saved successfully. Yeah, so bank accounts are with the schedules, and then the payments are with the history. But I think I've gone through all of it. Background check is pending, notifications are there. We use Starlink for service and they charge $25. So like you can see that the components, I've tried to redesign the components and to make them consistent. If you look at the way we display these messages, they're always in green and very consistent to show that wherever you see green, it's a success message. And whenever you see red, that's probably an error or something, and you need to. I've just tried to be consistent across with the colors and the components and all the widgets. So let me create an appointment today, probably tomorrow. So the calendar is being implemented in the way that you just click on a date and then you can schedule an appointment on that date. You can block it off literally. So let's say I want to make an appointment for tomorrow, the 16th. So I'll click on the 16th. And then it's literally auto-filled. Tomorrow, that is, start date is 16th, end date is 16th. So I'll just have to say that my appointment starts at 5 p.m. and then it ends at 6. Yeah. And if it's going to be a one-off appointment, then that's really all I need to do. Say be in meeting. Yeah, create. Then appointment created successfully. So back, so I'm done. See, on 16th I have a dot. So this is how this is implemented. Like I've tried to make some research, and like that's how appointments are marked even on the iPhone calendar. Hey Siri. Okay, Siri won't come. I wanted to use her to just do an appointment. Let's say I just want to show you that. So that's like how appointments are marked. You just put a dot on the day, and it's kind of the same convention that I've tried to use. Let's say tomorrow, the 17th too, I have another one. Starts at 5:50 and ends at yeah. Okay, select a time. I hadn't selected a time. Let's say it ends at that time. Yeah, and that should do it. Create back, and then yeah, you should have one on the 17th. I can create one that's recurring from today. From today at 7. Let's say one that recurs from today at 7. It's recurring. It's going to recur until the end of March. So it's starting, it's going to go till March, right? Okay, let's say Feb, right? And it's going to be from 7 to 8, right? 8, and it's going to recur weekly. Then we say maybe prayers. Yeah. Appointment created successfully. And then go back. Yeah, you have it there. It's going all through up to April, right? Yeah. And then when you click on a day that has an appointment, and then let's say you have that's what I just scheduled. So your appointment starting 15th. This is it. It's happening through Feb to April, and it's recurring weekly. And you can actually edit it. Let's say I want to put it to March. Let's say I want it to end in March. I don't want it to end in April. Close. It has been changed to March. And on the calendar, you can see that it's now squeezing from Feb to March. Yeah, let's say you want to add an appointment on a day that already has an appointment. You just do that, and yeah, you can just say I want it to go from 7, from 5 to 6. And it's created. Back, we take it to the calendar, and then yeah, that was on the 15th. Yeah, so on the 15th I have 2, and they will always be listed out. I have one on the 17th, I have one on the 16th, and I can really add. So really, I think that's it. There is to say about appointments. You can schedule appointments on any day you want, really. So this will probably be reflected on the booking. I did that. That was on first, the 4th. Ogokuna. That was first. Just added that. So the intuition is that I wanted to get this to work before I go on to booking, because this is tied up to booking. So see, this is what I was talking about. So you're implementing booking, but you don't have your availability use cases done. If you check the app right now, availability doesn't work. It doesn't work. It's a dead use case. But now we're working on booking. So it's like you jumped a dependency, and literally booking will not work the way you want it to work, because it's tied up to a dependency that hasn't been implemented yet. So I'm trying to follow through things chronologically so that we don't have issues. That's why right now I can confidently say that I'm working on booking, and I'm sure that it will work because I've tied up all the loose ends, Yeah. Set your availability to pet owners here. I really think that's all there is to demo right now. The rest will be for you guys to... Appointments will show up here again. When someone finishes to book, appointments will show up here. So I'll give you guys the app to test it out, and then let me know what you think.